Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the history class. This is the third and last part of chapter number 2, the 4 stone ages. And in this video, we are going to learn about the third stage of this period, that is Chalcolithic age, which remained from 4000 BC till about 2000 BC. So this is the duration of the Chalcolithic age. The term Chalcolithic is derived from the two Greek words chalkos, meaning copper, and lithos, meaning stone, and is also called Copper Age. This age was characterized by an extensive use of copper and bronze. Bronze was an alloy of copper and tin, and it was used to make fine and durable weapons. So this period is also known for its extensive use of copper and bronze. Bronze, that was an alloy which was made of copper and tin, and it was used to make fine and durable weapons at that time. And due to an extensive use of these metals, this period also known as the age of metals. In India, the Chalcolithic sites have been found in Brahmagiri, which is in Karnataka, Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, and Navada Toli in Maharashtra. However, this period was still largely like Neolithic in character. It was almost similar as Neolithic period. Now about the tools and weapons of this era. Swords, daggers, spears, arrow, razor, knives, sickle, axes, and needles were the common tools of this Chalcolithic humans. Now about the inventions. Beside the potter's wheel, numerous other wheeled vehicles were also invented in this age. Pottery. Painted pottery was a particular feature of this Chalcolithic age. The most commonly used utensils were steamed cups, spouted cases, as you can also see in the picture, bowls, dishes, big storage jars, and basins. Cultivation of crops. The Chalcolithic man grew crops in rotation. They used to grow the crops in the same field in alternative period of time. Wheat, barley, rice, black and green grams, green peas and lentils were the commonly grown crops. About the religious belief of this people of this period, the worship of Mother Goddess as the mother of soil gained prominence. They used to worship soil as the Mother Goddess, and bull was also worshipped. Fire worship was common, as in evident from the discovery of fire altars. A strong belief in life after death was continued to dominate the minds of the Chalcolithic man. It was a strong belief. They used to believe that there's a life after death. So it was a strong belief of this people of this Chalcolithic period. And some important thing that add to your knowledge is it is assumed that stone tools maker were both women and men. Women were specially, they must have made these tools to get their food for themselves as well as to support their children. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.